Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question, which is surgical methods of sterilization are not accepted by many couples because option A, it is very poor reversibility rate. It has very poor reversibility rate. Option B, reduced facilities in many parts of the country. Option C, people are worried of reduced sexual drive. Option D, all of this. Now the question says, surgical methods of sterilization are not accepted by many couples because. So why these surgical methods of sterilization are not being accepted by many couples? So that is the question. So first of all, what do you mean by sterilization? So here sterilization, in the sense we are talking about the inability, or you can say the non-ability of the person to not to reproduce. So sterilization or sterility is nothing but it is related to the inability of reproduction. That means the couple is not able to reproduce or not able to produce their babies. Okay, now for that some of the there are many couples who are not interested in surgical methods of sterilization, because if you have to avoid pregnancy, then you have to go for any contraceptive methods. And most of them, they're actually scared of surgical methods. Okay, surgical methods. So surgical methods where they do surgery, as the name indicates, surgery, so as to prevent pregnancy. Okay, pregnancy. So mainly there are two methods which have been widely accepted, but then still many people are not willing to do it. But with respect to doctor's view, I would say that there are two main methods what the doctor suggests. One is vasectomy in case of males, okay, and the other one is tubectomy in case of females. Okay, but the only thing is that these are the reversibility rate is very poor. Like again, if they want to conceive, then the reversibility of these vasectomy and tubectomy, it is not, it is very rare case. Okay, so let us see. It says surgical methods of sterilization are not accepted by many couples because option A, it has very poor rate, reversibility rate. Yes, that is correct. Option B, reduced facilities in many parts of the country. Yes, many of the couples, even if they are willing, but there are facilities are not available in the country where they can conduct this vasectomy and tubectomy. Okay, or tubectomy, I could say. And this also is correct that why people may not be accepting this surgical method. Then option C, people are worried of reduced sexual drive. Yes, because it is related to the reproductive part itself, vasectomy and tubectomy. There is a kind of surgery which is done with respect to the reproductive part. So they are worried if their sexual drive will be reduced. So that is also true that people are worried about all these things. So I would say that the answer should be all of this, since all of these are matters which are concerned by the people or by the couples, so as to not to accept surgical methods of sterilization. Okay, so let us conclude the answer. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.